This video I will tell you how to post longer Instagram reels. So we will open up the Instagram application here, and after opening up the Instagram application here, what we will do here, we will tap on this like plus icon here, and then we will tap on the reels option here. Okay, let me just open this again, tap on this one, go to story, and then go to this reels option here. I don't know why it's just open up the camera here. Okay, and now here you can see that we have 15 seconds. So if you tap on this one, now you can see that the maximum length that you can actually upload is 90 seconds, that is 1 minute and a half. So this is the maximum length of the reels that you can actually upload. If your video or reel is above 90 seconds, then you have to split that into two parts, or what you can do here, you can actually edit the video and increase the speed, increase the playback speed of that specific reel to fit into the 90 seconds. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.